I can't think of a more incredible honor than being recognized as the #1 orthopedic hospital in the country, now for a 17th year in a row. It's a testament to how all the people in this organization are completely focused on providing the highest quality musculoskeletal care for patients all over the world.
There's probably no better acknowledgement of the reach of the Hospital for Special Surgery that patients come from across the country as well as around the globe to seek care at HSS.
HSS is a leader in rheumatology. The physicians that work here are world-renowned and are really delivering the best care for people living with these rheumatic diseases.
And I think it's that broad team approach and that collaboration that really makes HSS an incredibly unique place.
The ability to do research in this day and age has accelerated greatly. A lot of the things that took us years and years to do before, but with artificial intelligence and with all the data that's out there, and there's no place in the world that has the data like we have in terms of musculoskeletal care, so it really gets from the bench to the bedside so much faster than it ever did.
We've spent 160 plus years fixing things that were broken, and we do it better than anyone else in the world.
Joint replacement started in a place like HSS. So if there weren't places like this trying new things to see what was out there, we wouldn't have a lot of the medical breakthroughs that we do.
We aim to be trendsetters and teach the world how to deliver the best quality of care everywhere.
At HSS, we believe that mobility is one of the most important parts of anybody's life and really has a huge impact on people's health span. The ability for people to move is incredibly important for their overall health and their generalized well-being. So we're really focused on the comprehensive, continuous spectrum of musculoskeletal care.
Longevity is only achieved through mobility, and that is our goal, to allow our patients to maintain their mobility.